Hello students, this is RSYadav. Today I am going to solve three questions of quadratic equations in which I will try to find out the nature of roots of quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. Now in this series this question is x square plus 7x minus 1 equals to 0. So we have to find out the nature of roots. So for finding out nature of roots, we have to calculate the discriminant by using the formula b square minus 4ac. So first, I will write the equation. Given equation is x square plus 7x minus 1 equals to 0. Now we will compare it. So I will write comparing with standard form of equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So in this, if you compare, a equals to 1, b equals to 7, c equals to minus 1. Now discriminant that is d equals to b square minus 4ac. Now I will put the values. B means 7 square minus 4 into A is 1 into C is minus 1. So this becomes 49. 7 square means 7 into 7. 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4, into minus, that is plus 4. So we get it is 53. Now the value of D equals to 53. Since this value is greater than 0, we know that b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then nature of roots will be two distinct roots. Two distinct roots. Distinct roots. So the nature of roots in this case is two distinct roots. So in this way this question is solved by finding out the discriminants. Now the question number second, that is x square minus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. So I will write comparing with standard form of equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So in this case, coefficient of x square is a. Here it is 1. So a equals to 1. B equals to minus 4 and C equals to plus 4. Now I will find out the discriminant. That is D equals to B square minus 4AC. So I will get here, I will put the values, that is B square means minus 4 square, minus 4 into A is 1 into C is 4. So this becomes minus 4 means 16, minus 4 into 4 is 16. So we get 0. Now the D equals to 0. So we will get d equals to 0, or we can say b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So once this happens, that means nature of roots will be nature of roots equals to that is two equal roots. Two equal roots. In this case, both the roots will be equal. So nature of roots equals to two equal roots. Now the third question is m square plus 2m plus 9 equals to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It will be compared with this standard form of equation. So here a equals to 1, b equals to 2 and c equals to 9. Discriminant d equals to b square minus 4ac. That means b square means 2 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 9. So this is 2 2 square means 4 minus 36 means 4 minus 36 means 32. So d equals to 32. It means nature of roots, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So nature of roots will be no real roots. No real. So in this way, the nature of roots is find out, and we use the formula that is b square minus 4ac. If it is greater than 0, we will say it is a two equal roots, another two distinct roots. If it is equals to 0, b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then we are getting two equal roots, means both the roots of the x will be equal. In this case, where we are getting b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then it will have, the answer will be no real roots. So in this way, now I have solved all these questions and find out the nature of roots. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.